Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdur Rahim from Boys Higher Secondary School, Tartpura. Today it is 24/7/2021, 11th Economics. Topic: Measures taken for liberalization. Dear students, as we are discussed in previous lectures, what are the measures taken for the liberalization? Now the same topic for which I am going to deliver my today's lecture, that is from point number 6, increase in the investment limit of small industries. Increase in the investment limit of small scale industries. Dear students, as already we have discussed that investment limit of small scale industries has been raised to rupees 5 crore, so as to enable them to introduce modernization. I will repeat it. Investment limit of the small industries has been raised to rupees 5 crore, so as to enable them to introduce modernization. And seventh point is, that is freedom to import capital goods. Freedom to import capital goods. Under the policy of liberalization, Indian industries will be free to buy machines and raw materials from abroad in order to expand and modernize themselves. یعنی یہ آزاد ہونی چاہیے کہ یہ امپورٹ دوسرے کنٹریز سے ابراڈ جن چیزوں کی ان کو ضرورت ہوگی، چاہے وہ را میٹیریل کے شیپ میں ہوگا، چاہے وہ مشینز ہوگا، ٹیکنالوجی ہوگی، اس کے لیے یہ فری ہونی چاہیے تاکہ ہم اس کو امپروو کریں گے، آگے جائیں گے. اینڈ پوائنٹ نمبر نیکسٹ از freedom to import technology. Freedom to import technology. Freedom to import technology. یعنی اس مشن کو آگے لے جانے کے لیے یعنی کون سے میجرز ہم نے اٹھانے ہیں، جو میجرز ہیں فار لیبرلائزیشن، اس کے لیے اور ایک پوائنٹ ہے کہ جو فریڈم ٹو امپورٹ ٹیکنالوجی، ہمیں جس ٹیکنالوجی کی ضرورت ہو اس کو آگے لے جانے کے لیے، اس کے لیے ہم آزاد ہونی چاہیے. جو چیز جس کنٹری سے ہمیں ضرورت پڑے گا اس کو ہمیں لانے کے لیے آزادی ملنی چاہیے. نیو اکنامک پالیسی اور اکنامک ریفارمز has laid emphasis on the use of high technique to promote modernization. The objective of this policy is to develop sunrise industries, that is computers and electronics. Under new economic reforms to promote technological dynamic in Indian industries, government has allowed agreement to import high technology. There is a provision in the new industrial policy that high priority industries need not seek permission to enter into the agreements relating to his technology. And next point is to free determination of interest rates. Free determination of interest rates. Free determination of interest rates. Interest rate of the banking system of the country will no longer be determined by the Reserve Bank of India as per the policy of liberalization. Banks all over the country are now free to determine the rate of interest as they like. This means that financial sector will be allowed to take decisions on many matters without consulting the Reserve Bank of India. And last point for this is tax reforms. Tax reforms. Since 1991, there has been a continuous reduction in the taxes on individual incomes, as it was felt that high rates of income tax were an important reason for tax evasion. It is now widely accepted that moderate rates of income tax encourage savings and voluntary disclosure of income. The rate of corporation tax, which was very high earlier, has been gradually reduced. Efforts are also being done to reform the indirect taxes in order to facilitate the establishment of common national market for goods. Further, the tax structure has also been simplified. Hope that this topic, measures taken for liberalization, it is clear to you, and tomorrow I will come with new lecture. Assalamu alaikum.